Today, we're exploring some of the most useful and innovative finds from Temu, products designed to make everyday tasks easier and more efficient. From smart kitchen tools to high-tech cleaning solutions, there's something here for everyone. And as always, all the links are in the description below. So let's begin. First of all, this manual food grinder is a must-have for every kitchen. This multifunctional vegetable chopper and slicer comes with interchangeable stainless steel blades, making it easy to chop, dice, and slice a variety of ingredients. Designed with a built-in container, it keeps your workspace neat while preparing meals. Perfect for home cooks and a great gift for anyone who loves cooking. The USB fireplace aroma diffuser and humidifier combines soothing mist with a realistic flame effect for a cozy atmosphere. With soundwave technology, it efficiently diffuses essential oils while adding moisture to the air. Features include a color-changing nightlight, timer function, and auto shutoff for safety. Compact and stylish, it's ideal for bedrooms, offices, or relaxation spaces. Next up, the Happy Duck. Enjoy Duck Silicone Nightlight is a fun and functional addition to any room. This rechargeable touch-sensitive lamp offers 3 levels of adjustable brightness and a timer function, making it perfect for bedside use. Soft to the touch and adorable in design, it's a great choice for kids' rooms or as a thoughtful gift for Christmas, holidays, or birthdays. Here is a raindrop essential oil diffuser that brings both elegance and relaxation to any space. Designed to disperse essential oils efficiently, it enhances the ambiance with its gentle mist and calming raindrop design. Whether used for aromatherapy or as a stylish decorative piece, it's a great addition to any home. The rechargeable electric pepper and salt grinder set offers convenience and precision with one-hand automatic operation. Featuring adjustable coarseness settings and an LED light, it allows for effortless seasoning in any kitchen. The included charging base and USB cable ensure long-lasting use, making it a modern and practical upgrade to traditional spice grinders. This 4-in-1 dish soap dispenser set with sponge holder is a convenient and stylish solution for keeping your kitchen or bathroom sink organized. Made from no BPA plastic, it features a leak-proof, battery-free design with an efficient pump system for easy soap dispensing. The built-in sponge holder adds extra functionality, making it ideal for families. A thoughtful gift for Christmas, Halloween, or housewarmings. This 2-in-1 wireless handheld vacuum cleaner delivers high suction power in a portable and lightweight design, making it perfect for cleaning both home and car interiors. Equipped with a floor brush attachment, it effectively tackles dust and debris on a variety of surfaces. Ideal for everyday use and a great gift for car enthusiasts and homeowners. Next up, this 4-egg microwave egg cooker offers a quick and hassle-free way to prepare soft to hard-boiled eggs in minutes. Compact and easy to use, it's designed to hold up to 4 eggs at a time, saving time in the kitchen. Made from durable, dishwasher-safe materials, it's a must-have for breakfast lovers. This coffee mug quick warmer ensures hot beverages stay at the perfect temperature with 3 adjustable heat settings. A waterproof design makes it safe for home or office use, while the sleek wood grain finish adds a touch of elegance. Ideal for keeping coffee, tea, hot chocolate, or milk warm, making it a perfect gift for friends and family. Moving on, this modern digital alarm clock combines functionality and style with a large, easy-to-read display, dual alarms, and a snooze function adjustable from 5 to 60 minutes. Additional features include a day-of-week display, 12 24-hour format, and USB charging ports. A stable ring base ensures secure placement, making it a sleek and practical addition to bedrooms, living rooms, or offices. Charge devices effortlessly while creating a cozy and relaxing atmosphere with this wireless, fast-charging bar smart light. Designed with a sleek and modern look, it offers dimmable settings to adjust brightness for any mood, making it perfect for bedrooms, workspaces, or bedside tables. The built-in wake-up light feature gradually brightens to simulate a natural sunrise, helping you start the day feeling refreshed. Whether used as a reading lamp, nightlight, or desk companion, this multifunctional piece adds both convenience and style to any space. Enhance home security with a powerful camera that delivers crystal-clear 1080p HD video, day or night. With advanced color night vision, it captures detailed footage even in complete darkness, ensuring around-the-clock protection. Built-in two-way audio allows for real-time communication, while compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT makes smart home integration seamless, whether monitoring the front door, backyard, or indoor spaces. This weather-resistant camera provides smart detection alerts and cloud storage options, streamlined kitchen prep with a versatile garlic press that combines slicing and mincing in one simple tool. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, it delivers precision and durability, ensuring smooth, effortless operation with every use. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the easy-to-clean design minimizes mess. Whether preparing sauces, marinades, or savory dishes, this multifunctional press saves time and effort. Add a touch of elegance and practicality to any space with a rechargeable LED cordless table lamp. Featuring a sleek, modern design, this lamp offers touch-sensitive controls for effortless brightness adjustment. With a built-in USB charging port, it doubles as a convenient power source for smartphones and other devices. Perfect for bedrooms, dining areas, bars, or late-night study sessions, it provides soft, glare-free lighting that enhances any environment. Make breakfast a delight with a mini pancake pan designed to create 7 perfectly shaped pancakes, each with a cheerful, smiley face imprint. The high-quality non-stick coating ensures easy flipping and effortless cleaning, while the durable construction distributes heat evenly for consistently golden results. A heat-resistant handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, allowing for safe and efficient cooking. Whether making pancakes for kids, brunch with friends, or a fun weekend treat, this creative breakfast cookware brings joy to every meal and simplifies the cooking process. Keep floors spotless with a multifunctional electric sweeping mop that combines sweeping, dust collection, and mopping into one efficient machine. Designed for effortless cleaning, it features an automatic charging system and smart anti-fall sensors, making it perfect for both large and small spaces. Whether tackling hardwood, tile, or laminate floors, its powerful motor efficiently removes dirt, dust, and debris. The lightweight and user-friendly design ensures easy maneuverability, allowing you to maintain a cleaner home with minimal effort. Maintain dental hygiene and keep jewelry sparkling with an ultrasonic denture cleaner that uses 45 kHz sound waves for deep, gentle cleaning. Made from durable stainless steel, it offers an 8.62 OZ capacity, making it ideal for dentures, retainers, mouthguards, aligners, and even delicate jewelry. The UV function enhances disinfection, ensuring thorough sanitation with every use. Plug-powered and designed for convenience, this compact cleaner is perfect for home use, helping to remove stains and bacteria effectively without the need for harsh chemicals or scrubbing. Revive clothes and furniture with a USB rechargeable lint remover featuring sharp alloy steel blades and a digital display for precision control. Designed to remove fuzz, pills, and lint from fabric surfaces, it works on everything from sweaters to sofas and carpets. The cordless design, powered by a 500 mAh lithium battery, ensures portability and convenience, making it easy to refresh garments and upholstery anywhere. Enjoy hot beverages on the go with a portable travel electric kettle designed for use in cars. Featuring a 12V 24V power option, it quickly heats water for coffee, tea, or instant meals while driving. Made with 304 stainless steel, it ensures safe and efficient heating, while the built-in magnetic induction stirring function provides even mixing. The anti-dry burning protection offers added safety, making this compact water boiler an essential travel companion for commuters, road trips, and outdoor adventures. Bake delicious treats effortlessly with a home mini baking machine designed for versatility and speed. Whether making cakes, bread, or quick breakfast items, its uniform baking surface and fast heating technology ensure perfect results every time. The non-stick liner allows for easy food release and hassle-free cleanup, while the user-friendly design makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced bakers. Compact and efficient, this appliance is perfect for busy individuals. Keep drinks, snacks, and skincare essentials fresh with a portable mini fridge that offers both cooling and warming functions. Designed with a 4-liter capacity, it fits up to 6 cans, making it perfect for home, office, dorm rooms, and even travel. The lightweight and compact design ensures easy portability, while the quiet operation makes it ideal for personal spaces. Whether you need to keep beverages chilled or store beauty products at the perfect temperature, this stylish and energy-efficient fridge is a must-have for students, office workers, and frequent travelers. Upgrade your kitchen or office with a smart wall-hanging trash can that features quick sensing technology for hands-free operation. Designed to fit into narrow spaces, it conveniently opens with a wave of your hand, making waste disposal more hygienic and effortless. The sleek, modern design seamlessly blends with any decor, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Perfect for busy kitchens, bathrooms, and workspaces, this intelligent trash bin helps maintain a cleaner and more efficient environment with minimal effort. Create barista-quality beverages at home with a USB rechargeable handheld frother designed for versatility. Featuring 3 adjustable speeds and 2 stainless steel whisks, it effortlessly froths milk for cappuccinos, lattes, and hot chocolate, or whips eggs and mixes protein shakes with ease. The lightweight, ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, while the long-lasting battery ensures reliable performance. Keep your sink clean and organized with an elephant-shaped drain basket that doubles as a strainer for food scraps, fruit, and vegetables. Designed to fit securely over the sink, it efficiently filters out waste while preventing clogging. The anti-skid base ensures stability, while the creative and adorable design adds a touch of charm to your kitchen. Whether you're rinsing produce or straining leftover soup, this multifunctional accessory makes cleanup effortless and mess-free. Enjoy meals with ease using a swivel dining table tray that offers both convenience and functionality. Designed for stability and portability, this tray is perfect for serving meals in bed, on the couch, or at the dining table. The anti-scald surface ensures safety when handling hot dishes, while the easy swivel mechanism allows for effortless positioning. Whether used for everyday dining, working from home, or assisting individuals with mobility challenges, this versatile serving tray enhances comfort and practicality in any setting. Slice meats with precision using a stainless steel manual meat slicer designed for home cooking, BBQ, and hot pot preparation. The compact, easy-to-clean design ensures hassle-free operation, while the sturdy construction provides durability and stability. With a sharp, uncharged metal blade, it allows for effortless slicing of beef, pork, and other meats to achieve the perfect thickness. Upgrade waste management with a smart motion sensor trash can that features odor sealing technology for a cleaner and fresher environment. Designed for both home and commercial use, this multi-purpose waste bin is ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and offices. The touch-free operation ensures a more hygienic experience, while the sleek and modern design seamlessly blends with any decor. Perfect for those who value convenience and cleanliness, this sensor-activated trash bin makes disposal effortless and efficient. Enjoy homemade soy milk and fresh juices with a portable mini soy milk maker designed for small households. Featuring a 33.81-ounce capacity, free filtering, and self-cleaning functionality, it simplifies the process of making nutritious plant-based beverages. Compact and easy to use, this soy milk maker is perfect for health-conscious individuals looking to enjoy fresh, preservative-free drinks. Whether preparing almond milk, smoothies, or soy-based drinks, this versatile appliance is a must-have for any modern kitchen. Peel fruits and vegetables effortlessly with an electric potato peeler that features an automatic rotating function. Designed with durable stainless steel blades, it quickly and efficiently removes peels from potatoes, apples, and other produce. The rechargeable, user-friendly design makes it convenient for daily use, while the sturdy base ensures stability during operation. Ideal for home kitchens, this electric peeler saves time and effort, making meal preparation faster and more enjoyable. Simplify meat preparation with a manual meat slicer and shredder set designed for fresh beef, pork, and mutton. The stainless steel cleaver ensures precision cutting, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip for safe and efficient slicing. Perfect for BBQ enthusiasts and home cooks, this versatile kitchen tool set allows for effortless slicing and shredding of meats. Whether you're preparing stir-fries, grilling, or making homemade jerky, this all-in-one slicer and shredder set is a reliable addition to any kitchen. Fry your favorite dishes with ease using a stainless steel deep fryer designed for versatility and convenience. With a large 74.39-ounce capacity, this tempura fryer allows you to prepare a variety of fried foods, from crispy fries to golden brown tempura. Equipped with a thermometer and non-stick coating, it offers precise temperature control for perfect results every time. The easy-to-clean design ensures minimal hassle, and the secure lid prevents splattering during frying. Keep snacks fresh and sealed with a 2-in-1 rechargeable mini snack bag sealer that combines both heat sealing and cutting functions in one compact device. Powered by a USB rechargeable 16-watt lithium battery, this innovative sealer provides an efficient way to store food, ensuring long-lasting freshness. With its easy-to-use design, simply seal your snack bags to preserve the contents and prevent air exposure. Lightweight and portable, this snack bag sealer is a must-have for anyone looking to save space and keep food fresh for longer. Ensure that your fruits, vegetables, rice, meat, and tableware are thoroughly cleaned with a USB wireless food purifier. This portable device utilizes advanced purification technology to remove bacteria, pesticides, and harmful chemicals, promoting better health and safety. Its compact design makes it easy to store and use in the kitchen, offering a quick and effective solution for cleaning produce and other food items. Enhance bathroom hygiene with a smart sensor flusher designed for hands-free operation and easy maintenance. This automatic flushing device ensures that your toilet stays clean without the need for physical contact, promoting a more sanitary bathroom environment. Suitable for all types of bathrooms, this modern sensor flusher is easy to install and fits seamlessly into contemporary home decor. A great gift for housewarmings, it adds both convenience and cleanliness to any bathroom. Add a touch of magic to your home decor with a creative magnetic levitation moon lamp. Featuring LED lights and a wireless charging function, this unique lamp floats effortlessly in midair, creating a captivating and futuristic effect. The soft glow from the moon lamp makes it a perfect nightlight, and its stylish design fits seamlessly into any room, from bedrooms to living rooms. Quickly smooth out wrinkles with a micro steam iron that combines portability with powerful performance. This 970-watt handheld steamer supports both dry and wet ironing, delivering strong penetrating steam to refresh fabrics instantly. Designed for home, office, and travel use, its compact size makes it easy to pack and store while ensuring wrinkle-free clothes wherever you go. With a comfortable grip and fast heating technology, this mini steam iron is a must-have for anyone looking to maintain polished, crease-free outfits effortlessly. Achieve deep and effortless cleaning with a wireless handheld vacuum cleaner designed for tackling dirt, pet hair, and dust on various surfaces. This cordless, rechargeable vacuum is perfect for cleaning beds, sofas, carpets, and even car interiors with ease. Its lightweight and ergonomic design allow for quick maneuvering, while powerful suction ensures a thorough clean every time. Ideal for households and car owners, this compact yet efficient vacuum makes everyday cleaning a breeze and serves as a thoughtful gift for anyone who values a spotless space. Optimize small spaces with a compact and durable bathroom trash can designed for convenience and easy maintenance. Featuring built-in handles for effortless transport, this mini wastebasket is rust-proof, space-saving, and perfect for bathrooms, laundry rooms, or home offices. Its sleek plastic design complements any decor while ensuring hygiene and cleanliness in tight areas. Whether for personal use or as a practical addition to any room, this small but functional trash can help maintain a tidy and organized space. Power multiple devices safely with a 14-in-1 power strip featuring surge protection and a one-touch control switch. Equipped with 4 spacious AC outlets and 6 USB ports, including 2 Type-C slots, this wall-mountable extension cord is designed for convenience and efficiency. Perfect for offices, study areas, and home setups, it provides reliable power distribution while preventing overload damage. With its sleek rectangular design and enhanced safety features, this versatile power strip is an essential addition to any workspace or home entertainment center. And lastly, effortlessly defrost food while maintaining freshness with a household thawing machine. This multifunctional kitchen gadget doubles as a washing basket, offering a convenient way to safely thaw frozen meats, seafood, and more. Designed with dust-proof and fresh-keeping features, it helps retain food quality while reducing thawing time. With USB charging capability, this portable and efficient thawing solution is a game-changer for meal prep, ensuring convenience and hygiene in every kitchen. That wraps up our list of must-have home kitchen and cleaning gadgets from Temu. Whether you're looking to simplify meal prep, keep your space spotless, or just add some smart solutions to your home, these products are designed to make life a little easier. If you found something you like, all the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great finds.